What's up everybody, Landon with LMR.com. Welcome to my quick overview and install on these engine dress-up caps from Ford Performance fitting the 2011 to 2014 V6, GT, or GT500 Mustangs. If you're in the market to enhance the underhood styling of your 2011 to 2014 V6, GT, or GT500 Mustang, then these dress-up caps from Ford Performance are for you. Each cap is constructed from billet aluminum and features CNC cut grooves for better grip when removing the cap. They are engineered to fit over the existing caps and then secured with the pre-installed double-sided tape. The caps are silver in color and they're going to incorporate a laser-etched Ford Performance logo. Currently, these caps are available in two different kits. One kit will be intended for the 2011 to 2014 V6 and GT Mustangs, and the other kit is going to be available for the 2011 to 2014 GT500s. Each kit will include a cap for the windshield washer reservoir, master cylinder, your oil fill cap, and of course, a cap for the engine coolant. Now, you GT500 guys are going to get all of those caps with the addition of a cap for your Supercharger coolant tank. Now, to install these caps, you'll want to wipe the tops of each designated cap with some alcohol to prep the surface for the double-sided tape. You'll then want to remove the backing from the double-sided tape from the underside of the cap. Align it with the designated cap and then firmly press to fully adhere the double-sided tape. You'll want to repeat those steps for each cap. After that, you're all finished. All in all here guys, these Ford Performance dress-up caps are a must-have for the S197 Mustang enthusiasts looking to add a little bit of underhood style. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and go ahead and turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Light.